Hello to everyone watching this video. We are about to talk about eclipses and the myth of Bakunawa. Ancient Tagalogs call eclipses as laho. Old people would tell you that during laho, the sun and the moon are eaten by a big snake called Bakunawa. The only way to bring them back is for people to create a very loud noise. The Bakunawa gets irritated by the noise and spews out the sun or moon back to the people. But this is a myth. For this video, we are about to debunk about the Bakunawa and the occurrence of eclipses. As the moon moves around the earth, it sometimes forms a straight line with the sun and the earth, leading to the occurrence of eclipses. Now, let us look at this picture. As you can see, the shadow of the moon now falls on the earth. When you are within this shadow, you will experience a solar eclipse. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon comes directly between the sun and earth. Let us look at the sun, moon, and earth in this figure. Look at the tip of the shadow of the moon as it falls on earth. The unequal shading of the shadow can be noticed. The gray outer region is the penumbra, while the darker inner region is the umbra. If you are standing in the umbra of the moon's shadow, you will see the sun disappear from your view. The surroundings appear like it is early evening. In this case, you are witnessing a total solar eclipse. In comparison, if you stand in the penumbra, the sun will be partially covered by the moon. There are no dramatic changes in the surroundings. There is no noticeable dimming of sunlight. In this case, you are observing a partial solar eclipse. Now, what if the moon is on another position? In this position, a different type of eclipse occurs. This time, the moon is in the shadow of Earth. In this case, you will observe a lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse occurs when the moon is directly on the opposite side of the earth as the sun. The appearance of the moon is dependent on its location in the earth's shadow. When the entire moon is within the umbra, it will totally look dark. At this time, you will observe a total lunar eclipse. But when the moon passes only through a part of the umbra, a partial lunar eclipse will be observed. A part of the moon will look dark while the rest will be lighter. The scientific explanation disproves the myth of Bakunawa and how it causes eclipses. That's all. I hope you learn from this video. Thank you and be well.